Video conferencing instructions for rooms TB 225A and 225B. First, power on the room's video conferencing system. Select Room PC. Every room will be slightly different with the technology as well. You'll need to log into the room system, so find the room's keyboard and mouse and turn them on. Next, on the room's keyboard and mouse, Control-Alt-Delete. Find the room's PIN number. It can be found on the display or on the back wall above the instructions for the room. Please type that in with the room's keyboard and mouse. Start your Zoom meeting on your personal laptop. You do not want to join audio on your laptop within Zoom. To disconnect this, go to the microphone in Zoom and select Leave Computer Audio. On your laptop in the Zoom meeting, in the upper left-hand corner is a green shield. That is where you will find the meeting ID and passcode in order to join the room into your meeting. On the room's computer, open Zoom. Do not sign in, but click Join Meeting. It will ask for the meeting ID. You will find that from your Zoom meeting on your laptop from the green shield. Type that into the room's computer. Next, it's going to ask you for the passcode that was on the green shield on your laptop Zoom meeting. Now the video conferencing room has been joined in with your meeting on your laptop. If you need to check the sound settings, go to the microphone on Zoom on the room's PC and click Audio Settings. You can click Test Speaker to make sure you hear something. And then Test Microphone. Test Microphone. If you hear yourself with repeated words that you just said, then audio is working. After you are done with the video conferencing room, it is very important that you power down the system. Please select Off on the display, and then System Off, and then Power Down. Thank you.